Okay, language explorers, let's talk about this noun today on Monday Nouns. Country. Country. A place on the earth, earth, with a government. So a country. So look, we have a country here, France, Spain, and England, or the United Kingdom. Yeah, so France, Spain, and United Kingdom. Yeah, how cool is that? The UK. Very nice. So, which country will you go to next? Which country will you go to? I want to go to the country Spain. Yes. I often travel to a country in Central America. Yeah, Mexico. How cool is that? So we have singular, country, with a Y, country. So plural, so 2 plus, is countries, I-E-S. Get rid of the Y and add I-E-S. So do you think the countries can get along? Or or be friendly or not? Which countries should I go to next? I'd like to go to Morocco, Spain, Philippines, Myanmar or Burma, and a few other places. So there are a lot of countries I want to go to. There's a lot of countries. Yeah. How cool is that? There are a lot of countries in Europe. Makes sense. Yeah. So, when was this country founded? When was it founded? When was it started? So, when did the country England start? Well, the country was founded in, you could argue, 1066 in a way. So 1,000 years ago. Okay, nice. I'm traveling to different countries. I'm traveling, ing, to different countries. Yes. I travelled to, say, Scotland in July. That is kind of a different country. Yeah, kind of. Not quite the same. Yeah. So look here again. Country, Y. Countries, 2 plus. Countries. There are loads of countries in Europe. Loads of countries in Europe, yeah. I have been to a few countries in Europe. I've been to a few countries in Europe. Makes sense. Those countries decided what to do. Those countries, they decided what to do about this thing, this idea, this storm, for example. The storm will affect different countries differently. Yeah. The storm will affect them differently. Yeah, and it's future, because we're using will in this case. The countries decided what to do. Those countries will decide what to do. Yeah, how cool is that? So country, a place on the earth that has a government. France, Spain, England, Mexico, Morocco, wherever else, Russia and beyond. So, language explorers, can you write country in a sentence? Comment below. Yeah, write country in a sentence. And subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. You can find me on Facebook, Telegram, and Instagram. Telegram, Facebook, and YouTube. Just search English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy as well. Just search Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Yeah. Let's keep exploring.